Hey YouTube, it's Creative J here, installing an aftermarket Pioneer deck into my 2015 Kia Optima LX. I want to give you guys a little brief tutorial of what I've done to maybe make it a little easier if you're going to do the same thing. So you're gonna go through and you're gonna pop off the cover that goes over here. It covers all the screws and stuff over there on that side. And you're going to do the same along here. Comes down and around underneath the heater controls and whatnot. Anyways, you're going to remove all these screws. Side panel here, there's a couple of screws for the bottom panel, for the kick panel. You're going to take them out. So like I said, all kinds of screws here, all up through, all along there, all along there, and then down underneath the heater, these screws here, a screw in there, and then over here. And then you can pop the heater bezel out, and then you can get to the bottom of the radio screws, and then this separates. It just pops together, snaps together, and that'll separate. And that's the radio. This is the kit that you get. You can buy it at Crutchfield. I'll put links to everything in the description. And then you can have yourself an aftermarket deck. The kick panel I'm still not done with yet. Like I said, there's a couple of screws on the side, and then there's one screw on the bottom on each side, and then it pops in. You see these green things, they just pop back up in. It's pretty fairly fast process. I added because you lose the your auxiliary and USB, the factory one, so I put in an aftermarket to the deck. There's a jump drive with some music on it, so you can use that. And then the radio will come with something similar to these. They're mounting brackets, plastic. And then there's no special tool or nothing that's needed for this. It's all Phillips head screws. So I did add aftermarket. I will be adding an aftermarket camera, because you lose the backup camera option as well. So you lose that. So I'll be getting another aftermarket camera. And then I will also be putting in a switch so you can play DVDs while you drive. Not that I do that, but the option's there. It also unlocks the keypad if you want to dial through the radio. And the radio comes with its microphone. So with this option, you retain all your buttons: your mute, your mode, your volume, your up and down channels, your hang up and answer button. You do lose this button here, which is the option to be able to push and basically tell the radio what you want it to do. So you lose that. Other than that, you keep everything else. Any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can with an answer. Again, I'll put what I purchased in the description from Crutchfield. Thank you. Have a good day.